Hello friends, today there is an unboxing video. The brand new Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR from Tarmac Works. Let's go! This vehicle from 1971 is an absolute classic car and particularly popular in Japan. The Skyline has a 6-cylinder inline engine with 160 horsepower. Wow, it looks beautiful. The scale of the rims is optimally chosen. Very successful and detailed model. Look at how they made the rear spoiler. We all love it when attention is paid to even the smallest details. The exterior mirrors are also true to size. Tarmac also put a lot of effort into the headlights. Let's try the wheel spin. Nice. And the front? I love this car. I wish I had a real one in my garage. What do you think about the car? Write me your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you and see you later.